In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the loading chunk failed error on Discord quickly and easily. This error usually happens when parts of the app fail to load properly, often due to corrupted cache files or network issues. To start, fully close Discord, then press Win+R, type %appdata% and press Enter. Find the Discord folder and delete it. This clears your cache and forces Discord to load fresh files the next time you open it. Now restart your PC and try launching Discord again. If the error still appears, uninstall Discord by going to Control Panel. Programs, then go Uninstall a program, then download and reinstall the latest version from the official Discord website. This ensures you have a clean installation without leftover corrupted files. You should also check your internet connection, switch to a wired network, or restart your router if needed. Lastly, make sure your firewall or antivirus software isn't blocking Discord. Add Discord as an exception if necessary. Following these steps will usually resolve the loading chunk failed error and get Discord working again. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.